Warren Buffett 128 billion USD net worth. Radhakrishnan Ramani 15 billion USD net worth. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala $5.8 billion USD net worth. These are the net worth of some of the biggest billionaire in stock market and how they created wealth. They created wealth through stock market only. More than 99% of their wealth is created through stock market. And today we are going to talk about how they have created wealth. What is the strategy? What is the secret sauce they have used in order to create that type of wealth, and how they have created almost, you can say, 5,000, 10,000, 1 lakh X of whatever initially amount they made. Now I am not going to talk that how we'll make 1 lakh X, but we are going to talk about how you can make it 100X of what initially amount you can invest in this market, and what are the steps to be followed. I am going to tell you 10 golden rules related to that method. If you follow, I can give you a guarantee we can go into that part, because these are the 10 steps which they have also followed. So let us go into deep. So guys, welcome everyone. My name is Tapan Doshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Just click the below link and do subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and also let me know what in the comment box. What is your target? What is your financial goal? How much you want to make money next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. So let us go and understand about what is the secret strategy and what is the secret sauce to be followed. So let us talk about first golden rule which you have to follow in this 10 rule strategy. First rule is nothing but to understand and define your financial goals and your risk profile. See, this is one of the things which most of the retail investors normally do not follow. Guys, over my 15 plus years of experience, I have handled more than thousands of clients, guys, and I see retail investor never follow these rules. They always think about buying a stock directly just based on recommendation. They never think about what is their financial goal and what is their risk profile. So what is financial goals? That after 2 years, 5 years, 10 years or 15, 20 years, what are their goals? Okay, how much money they want to have in their bank account and how they have to invest now in order to achieve that amount over the time. That is nothing your financial goal which will help you to cover your education or your children education or your children marriages and your retirement planning, everything. That is all about financial. First of all, you have to create your own financial goals. Along with that, you should know your risk profile. Now, why risk profile is important, guys? See, everybody has a different risk profile. A risk profile of a 50-year, 60-year, 70-year-old guy, a retired guy will be different compared to a 20-year, 25-year-old guy. And that is what you have to understand. So you have to understand whether you want, how much you want to earn in the year. Suppose your return expectation is 20%. Then accordingly plan your portfolio. Accordingly, you have to diversify between large cap, mid cap, small cap, and all that things you have to keep in. The problem is our expectation is 18-20%, but we are taking a risk of 100% and investing in some micro cap stock because you got recommendation from someone else without thinking and doing research. Guys, this is not the way to invest, because you are going to short lose the money and then you start blaming the market. The market never helped me out. Guys, market has never told you to invest in this stock. It is you are exceeding your own risk profile and investing in that stock. So please understand, don't try to copy someone else, no, your broker or even YouTuber like me or someone. Okay, just don't blindly follow. Yes, you can take their advice, you can get a stock recommendation, but before investing you analyze and then only invest. And you have to understand your risk profile, and according to you have to diversify between large cap, mid cap, small cap. Very important. Just type in the chat box, are you diversifying according to your risk profile? Now type in the chat box, so at least I'll come to know about that. So yes, define your financial goal and risk profile is the first rule you have to follow. The second rule which you have to follow, you can always do a value investing. Now what is value investing? It's one type of long-term investing, guys. Because why I prefer long-term value investing? If you talk about short-term trading, even Nitin Kamath told, no, you know that Zerodha head founder, they told that less than 1% are really able to earn through intraday trading. Even SEBI told that less than 10% are really able to earn through derivatives and all that. And that is what you have to understand. Value investing is nothing now when you are buying a stock at much more cheaper value and then you keep it for a long term. Of course, you have to do a periodic review and all that, but over the years, this slowly and gradually the stock will go up and your wealth will go up. So that is what a values investing is. Nothing like a stock is available at 100 rupees. However, real value of the stock is almost 150 rupees, and that is what you are investing at a cheaper valuation. And this is one of the method which many time Warren Buffett or Rakesh Junjunwala is used to make it big. So yes, value investing is nothing but like art of bargaining, and that is what you can follow. Again, rule number 3 is growth investing. Now, along with value investing, you can always invest for growth. Okay, what is growth investing? You are investing in a stock which is like a sector leader and which is running much more ahead than the sector averages. Like sector is growing by 20%. Like suppose pharmaceutical sector is going by 20%, but one of the stock of pharma is running through by almost 40%, 50%, and that is nothing a growth investing where the stock price is going much more faster on a higher side. And in growth investing, mostly you earn a lot, and many of the investors follow growth investing. But the only thing you have to keep in mind while doing a growth investing, you should be aware of what type of valuation you are investing in. Because see, if you are stuck at the top and you enter at the top and already the stock has ran up like 3x 4x, and then you are stuck at the top, and if it start falling, you are in a big problem. So valuation plays a big role. So yes, you have to understand that yes, whenever you're doing a growth investing, you should be careful. Again guys, all this value growth investing we are normally discussing a lot much more in our masterclass. The link is given in the comment box to attend it. Every week I am doing that type of sessions, where I show you how to do all this type of investing, and all these 10 golden rules which I am telling you is very well defined and covered in that masterclass. So do attend the session. I'll see you there. Now let us talk about the fourth rule, that is nothing but the power of compounding. We really underestimate the power of compounding. Okay, if you talk about Warren Buffett, over the 91, I think he's 93 years, but over the years, guys, he started at the age of 11. He started, now he's almost 93. But you know what is the average CAGR rate of Warren Buffett over the years? It's around 21% odd. Not like he is growing by 25-30%. The main thing is he has stayed long and he has let the power of compounding happens. And power of compounding is like, no, it's like a more than 45-degree angle. It's like, going up, up, up. And always you have to think that power of compounding is the only through which, as Albert Einstein, it's the eighth wonder of the world, will create a massive wealth for it. Now tell me one thing. Can you apply power of compounding in short-term trading 1 week, 1 month? Yes or no? No, na? And that is what you have to understand. Power of compounding will happen only when you are going for a long term. And that is what you have to learn from the history. History shows the person who has made it big has stayed long. Like a business owner. A business owner has 100% stake in his own company. But do he shut down a company after 1 month, 2 months? No, no. He stay for that company for 10 years, 20 years. Some of the companies are running through centuries. And that is what you have to understand. You have to give time to the business. But when you give time to the business, the valuation goes and you can earn a lot through power of compounding. So yes, this is one of the rule which you have to follow. That is power of compounding. That is rule number 4. Again, the fifth one is research. That is the fifth golden rule, because see, at the end, knowledge is power. And if you start doing research, most of the retail investors, they blindly invest. See, they think that, okay, I have 2 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees in my kitty. Let me try my luck in stock market. If it works, then it's okay. Otherwise, chalega next time. So that is what happens when you come thinking as a time pass and you don't devote time, then you are in a big problem. Just to give you an example, suppose you are investing like 10 lakh rupees in some grocery shop. Okay, now when you are investing in a grocery shop, don't you do a proper research before investing? Agree or not? You research for 1 month, 2 months, understanding where to establish the shop, how many employees to be kept, again from where will be the procurement, what will be the prices, and all that stuff. You think about it. Then why you are not devoting time in research? You are putting your hard-earned money. See, suppose you are bringing 3 lakh rupees on the table to invest in the market. The 3 lakh coming from your primary job of income and business. So to earn that 3 lakh, you must have earned 15 lakh rupees. Out of that, 20% is your saving. Okay, that is nothing but the 3 lakh rupees. Now 3 lakh rupees, when you are coming here, you are not devoting even 1.5 to 2 hours or 1 hour in doing the research of a company. Don't you think it is wrong? Yes, of course it is wrong. And that is what I'm trying to say. Here guys, understand, if you are putting thousands of man hours in your job and business, put at least 3 to 5%, at least 2 to 3 hours, every week in learning all this stuff, I can give you a guarantee you will have a great portfolio in your hand. And that is what we show in our master class and everything, guys. Knowledge is the power, research is the power. Just don't, guys, no one is getting rich in one day or 2 days. See, many of the in TV channels, and you must be saying that apply 20 minutes a day and you can earn in 2000, 3000 every day. Boss, it is very difficult. Over the years, I have seen less than 1% are really able to make it. You have to decide whether you are in that or not. So do a research, have a long-term vision, and go over the years and invest in a particular stock, have a good review system in place. So research is the power, and learn how to do it. That is the one thing, but it's not difficult. It's not rocket science, guys. It is just because you may be feeling, Tapan, I am a CA, you are a CA, that's why you're telling. No, no, no. It's not that. Even if you're non-finance guy, you can do that. The sixth one is nothing but the equity portfolio diversification. Now, what is this diversification? See, diversification is nothing but, no, when you structure a portfolio, your portfolio should be designed in such a way that it is a balanced portfolio, and that portfolio is suited to your risk profile. Correct? It's not that you are copying someone else's. So if your profile is like 18%, or you want to earn around 18 or 20%, then I think you can 50% in large cap, 30% in mid cap, 20% in small cap or micro cap will help you to achieve 18-20%. See, many people are telling that, okay, these large caps are like a big elephant and you cannot earn. See, understand, that depends on your risk profile. If you are saying, no, my expectations around 15 to 16%, then you can see Asian Paints, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank in last 20-25 years has given you more than 18 to 20% CAGR return, and that is what you have to understand. So diversify between large cap, mid cap, small cap based on your risk profile. Another rule number 7 which I wanted to tell you is that have a stock market psychology. Most of the people don't care about this. See, more than 40 to 50%, whether you are going to earn in this market based on the what type of psychology you carry and what type of mindset you have. There is always called as a stock market mindset. Now, what is stock market mindset? Stock market mindset is nothing where you are able to control your emotions. Whether it is going up and down, you don't have to worry about it. When you play for a short term, no, you cannot control your emotion, because you know that within intraday your trades are going to be cut, or maybe if you're doing FNO, it will be 1 month expiry and all that. But when you go for a long term, you'll be able to control your emotions. And more than that, you don't have to worry about small up and down, because at the end you have to see the longer vision. See, if you talk about longer vision, India is a currently $3.5 trillion economy. In next 10 years, it will become a $10 trillion economy. So at the end of the day, our economy is going to go up. And guys, if economy is going to go up 3 times, I can bet you stock market will go at least 6 times. So you may see a 3 lakh Sensex, 4 lakh Sensex in next 10 years. That I can even I can bet you. And Rakesh Junjunwala was telling from so long that yes, this is going to happen. He was telling 3 lakh at a Nifty level. Currently, Nifty is at a 20,000 level. So this is how the level he was talking about. But what I'm trying to convey is that this is going to happen over the time, and you have to have a faith on economy. And at the end of the day, as a result, now when you think as a long term, now you are able to control your emotions. Psychology is nothing but, no, you should not be as the market is, or you should not take a decision based on that. You cannot do an activity bias. Many people think that I should buy, sell, then only I'll able to earn this market. No, cannot earn like this. You have to stay long, and if you do activity bias, no, like buy sell, broker is going to earn, you are not going to earn. So understanding psychology, FOMO factor, fear of missing out, and so many psychology you have to understand in order to earn this market. Again, rule number 8 is nothing but periodically review and adjustment. What is this? Whenever you have a portfolio, regular interval, either it is quarterly or whenever there is a big announcement coming for that company, you have to go and review and check about the company. Don't think that all the stock is forever. Most of the retail investors think that when I invest in a company, no, then it is forever. No, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. You have to go and review. No stock is forever, because we are not exiting at the right time. We are not able to book profit on right time. We are not earning properly, and that is the biggest mistake most of the retail investors. You have to have a continuous review system in place. You have to check about quarterly result, what is going on, kya chal raha hai, again what is the guidance, what management is saying. all that stuff you have to check it. Again, rule number 9, follow the rules of investing. One of the simple thing, all these rules which I am telling you guys, you have to follow tit for tat. Because अगर आप कहेंगे कि okay I'll follow after 6 months, 3 months, or in between you started following, in between someone comes and say okay yeah, invest in this stock is going to get double in 6 months, that is where your emotions comes into picture, and then you start not following the rules. Guys, understand, whoever has made it big in this market, they have followed the rules of investing, and that all these golden rules, 10 rules I am telling you, all the golden rules which you have to follow, and I can give you a guarantee, if you start following all these rules, you will have a great portfolio. But for that, your commitment is there, that yes, I am going to follow it. If you are yes ready to give that commitment, just type in the chat box that yes, I committed to follow all those rule investing. Type in the chat box. And this is very important to understand, because basically we learn but we never practically implement that thing. Again, rule number 10, guys, be a lifelong learner. Guys, in this market, whoever has earned big is a lifelong learner. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई डाल के भूल जाना है. You have to continuously research and do understand lot many things. And again, for many of you, it may become a business after 10 years, 15 years, when you are already retired. This is the only thing at home you can do through mobile or laptop, correct or no? And that is what you have to understand. You have to be a lifelong learner. You have to understand the basics and everything. See, I have spent big amount of money, more than 15-20 lakhs to learn all this stuff, and through that I was able to make it big. And similarly, I want you guys to do it. I want you guys to invest on yourself, because investing on yourself, that is even Warren Buffett told, is the best thing you can do for you. Because the more you upgrade yourself, the more knowledge you get, the more you will be earning in this market. So follow the rules of investing, and of course, be a lifelong learner are some of the rules. You have to do it no matter what happens. So guys, these are the 10 golden rules which I wanted to tell you. Hopefully I have written out all the points. Thank you very much for joining and going through the complete video. And whatever I told, guys, it is coming from my heart. So please follow the rules of investing. And again, as I told you earlier also, the same framework we are, not same, but yeah, similar framework we are following in our masterclass also, in our courses also. So the link is given below. You can attend that 1500 rupees webinar completely free by clicking below link, and I'll see you soon in that webinar. So thank you for joining. I'll see you soon in the next video.